welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Ore. So today's video is going to be a vlog. So I'm going out with my girls today. Today is Saturday, and I just finished my makeup, my hair and all that. And yeah, so I've not seen my friends in like forever, like since the whole COVID started. So I'm seeing them today and I'm so excited. And yeah, so I'm done with my hair and my makeup. How do I look? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm really trying to see if I can vlog, but anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. The ride I requested came in like 1 hour later, and the Uber driver took the longest route that had the maddest traffic.
2 hours later.
Can you leave? Hi guys, you're gonna be in my vlog.
Of course we'll leave. Look at me now.
Actually,
I just want we all don't be.
wait, is it back? What do you think? Video fixing. I swear. Oh, really? Shut up, put it. So is it just? You know this guy on YouTube, right? It's a complete star, guys.
Put the social security.
So we decided to take bomb pictures. So follow me on all my socials. It will be in the description box, and my friends also took bomb pictures, so I'll put their link to their socials below. Why dancing is not
YouTuber, I'm honored to have you on my phone, bro.
What?
I'm recording the YouTube.
Wow, perspective. It hadn't rained in Lagos for the longest time, and then the time we decided to come out, this happened. Like the rain was just like this.
I'm back, witch. Deal with it.
Grandpa, your dad.
So yeah, according to our every post, so yeah.
Like, subscribe, click the like button.
Continue now. So guys, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.
Is the car here?